So this is it, guys. 4 months update. It's actually 4 months and a week since I had the operation done, the hair transplant. So we can see it is coming along nicely. I can start to move it around and shape it a bit. So I'm kind of just pushing it to that one side. When the hair's wet, and it just kind of stays like that all day. So I know other people have mentioned that when you have a hair transplant in Turkey, the hairs kind of stick up, and I'm fine with that, to be honest, because my hair is normally really flat, and it would be quite hard to actually get any kind of volume in it. So the fact that it kind of wants to stick up, I'm happy with that. It means that later on, in a few months' time, I will need to use less product to get whatever desired styling. I've been taking pictures regularly, so if let's have a look at that now. Let's see how the progress went from the beginning of month 3 to now the beginning of month 4. Let's go. So as you can see, there's a lot more length to the hair. There are still a few patchy areas. It does depend on the lighting. I felt like my left side, taking a bit longer to grow than the right side, so that's why I kind of chose to make the hair go in that direction. But overall I can see that the hairs are growing there, so it's just a matter of time really. It's 4 weeks and a bit, 4 months and a bit, sorry. And they reckon that at the 6-month stage you're at 60%, so we can probably say I'm at 40% right now of the hair transplant procedure. There is debate on this. Some people say at 6 months it's kind of done and then you only get length, but I don't know. So far I'm pleased with the results. We will see in the next month what will happen. I'm expecting more growth, of course, and more length. Hopefully it gets a bit thicker. I'm still taking the same pills, taking some biotin pills, saw palmetto, vitamin pills. Still using the Sebamed shampoo. I've ordered some more shampoo actually from another brand, so in my next update we'll be able to check that out, see what it's like. I was also thinking of the donor area. Let's have a look. And the back. Yeah, and if we have a look on top, so I was actually looking at some pictures pre-transplant, because there were times I thought maybe I was a bit patchy here on the sides, but looking at the pictures of when I just shaved my hair off to before going to Turkey, let's have a look at them now. We can see that that I was patchy there before anyway, so not a lot of difference, to be honest. I am extremely happy though with the progress, because I also looking at a picture before I went to Turkey, if we compare the picture of today and then, I mean, it's such a difference. I'm so much happier with the way I look now. So we can see there's the line there of where I've had it done, because the hair transplant, they did everything till there, even though I still had hair in the middle here and a bit at the back. Miss Puss, you don't need a hair transplant, do you? So yeah, for my second procedure, they will do the back there, and depending, I guess, on how many grafts I can give, might thicken the front a bit, or maybe if there are any patchy areas, fill it out a bit more. I don't know. And I'm not sure when I'll do that either. I don't know if I want to do it straight away, that should be in a bit less than a year, or if I want to wait a few years and kind of make the most of what I've got at the moment. We will see. So, what do you guys think? How do you think it's coming along? If you fancy leaving a comment, please go ahead. If you have any questions on hair transplants, I'll be happy to get back to you. And I'll be doing an update next month, I guess. And I'll be documenting the whole year process. If this information was useful to you at all, please leave a thumbs up or even subscribe to the channel. It'll be much appreciated. So for now, laters. Let's see you next month. Bye.